Hello, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be looking at how to unfreeze windshield washer fluid. If your car windshield washer fluid is frozen, this video is for you. Here we will look at how to prevent windshield washer nozzles from freezing, and many more windshield washer fluid issues, so stick as we explain how to unfreeze windshield washer fluid and frozen windshield washer nozzles. But before we continue, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. We would like to help you prevent this situation from happening in the first instance. This is why we will highlight major tips on preventing windshield washer fluid from freezing in windshield washer nozzles. What should you do when you have windshield washer fluid frozen? 1. The first thing to do is to get a pitcher and fill it with hot water. Make sure the water is hot but not too hot. 2. If you cannot touch the water because of the hotness, it is too hot, and the effect of this is that it can cause damage to your tank reservoir. 3. Open your car bonnet and stand it with any available bar. After that, open the cap to the reservoir. 4. Take a cup of hot water and gradually pour it inside the reservoir. Do this gently and slowly, allowing the water to sit in the reservoir for a few minutes. 5. Afterward, get a turkey baster and suck out the fluid. Throw away the fluid and repeat this step until you are sure that you have removed all the fluid. 6. Again, pour another cup of hot water inside the reservoir and suck out the fluids with a turkey baster. Repeat this step until the tank is empty. 7. You will have to get some wiper fluid resistant to freezing temperatures. Fill your reservoir with this wiper fluid. Note that the type of wiper fluid you should buy should be one that can handle temperatures of about -20 to -25 degrees Fahrenheit. 8. You would then need to find the hoses that pass the fluid from the reservoir into the expanders that spray the fluid onto the windshield. With the aid of an electric hair dryer, softly blow air over the hoses. Caution: to avoid melting the hose, do not blow the air on a particular spot for a long time. 9. Start your engine and test that your spray washer fluid is working again. How to prevent windshield washer nozzles from freezing. In preventing your windshield washer nozzles from freezing, it is necessary to note that your nozzles are most likely not shielded properly from outside water entry. As a result, the water enters the nozzles, diluting the surface washer fluid and causing it to freeze. To prevent your windshield sprayer frozen, you can always pour a bottle of rubbing alcohol into the windshield washer fluid reservoir. This would help to prevent it from freezing and, at the same time, dissolve any frozen effects on the windshield. You can always use a fluid booster also. However, make sure you purchase one that will not spoil the rubber hoses. Another thing to do is to simply take off your windshield washer wipers and keep them indoors. Frozen before being taken inside, they will melt in a couple of minutes. After the ice melts off, blow through them and return them to their position on the car windshield. 3 effective ways to prevent your windshield washer fluid from freezing. 1. Park your vehicle in a garage. In cases where you can predict that the weather will be very cold, it is advisable to park your car inside the garage to prevent different components in your car from freezing. This is because the temperature in your garage is going to be far warmer than the cold temperature that would be outside. If it is possible to regulate the temperature in your garage, make it warmer. That would just be perfect. However, even if you don't have a mechanism to heat up your garage, you can rest assured that the temperature in your garage would almost not drop to below 40 degrees, especially if it is attached to your house. On the other hand, if it is detached from your house, we recommend installing a small heater to keep your car warm and intact. 2. Provide heat for the fluid reservoir. Another method of preventing your washer fluid frozen, in case you don't have access to a garage, is to provide a source of warmth or heat near the reservoir. You can purchase some engine block heaters and attach them near your windshield washer reservoir to keep its temperatures regulated over the night. You can always improvise by using any other form of safe heat source, such as an incandescent light bulb beside the windshield washer reservoir. 3. You can always use freeze-resistant windshield washer fluid. Our third tip to prevent your car windshield washer fluid from freezing is to buy freeze-resistant windshield washer fluid. There are different kinds of windshield washer fluids, and their resistance levels to freezing temperatures vary. Always check your windshield washer fluid to ascertain whether it is certified as freeze-resistant. Caution: do not attempt to mix freeze-resistant fluid and non-freeze-resistant fluid, as this will only raise the temperature at which the fluid will freeze. which can cause damage to your reservoir system. If you have already poured in a windshield washer fluid that is not frozen resistant, we recommend you drain it out completely and pour a new freeze-resistant windshield washer fluid. In conclusion, we have explained how to handle a frozen windshield fluid situation. However, it is advisable that you prevent this from happening in the first place, following our tips on preventing your windshield washer fluid from freezing and windshield washer nozzles frozen. This is all we've got in today's video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.